There is a system called wheels, consists of students who take cars to the university, transport other students who are going to university or to their homes or near them. This is handled by groups on WhatsApp or Facebook. However, some of the problems that we identified were that the demand for students is not fully satisfied by the university's internal transportation services, because not all the students can have access to the groups because they are limited spaces. To understand this problem well and find solution, we asked ourselves several related questions, and we concluded that it would be great if there was a system where the entire university community could be part of their system, making it much more serious for the services and make better for everyone. This is why we created an app that integrates everything you mentioned. However, we found challenges such as the issues of earnings, since it must be a free app for people to download it, because the standard rate charged to passengers is very low, and it will not be profitable to charge a portion of it to drivers. Also, some questions like how to make people prefer to download an app and not to use WhatsApp or Facebook groups. What added value are we going to provide to users?
Based on the problem that we have and the solution that is creating a new app, we had many different ideas in order to develop the app. That's why we decided to organize these ideas in three main different groups. The first one is named Map, the second one is People, and the last one is Security. The first group of ideas that is named Map, we want to create a huge map in the app that show you all available cars and all available seats, the route of each one of these cars, and also it would be great if the app itself show you the traffic, so if something happens you can take an alternative route, and also show you the arrival hour to your destination. The second group of ideas, that is People. There's a huge amount of people that live in certain zones of the city, so the app will not have a limited number of members of the group, so you'll be able to use not just one but different groups, because sometimes you're not going directly to your home, so if you're going somewhere else and if someone is going there too, you can use their services to go to the place. The last group of ideas is Security. The app will show you the information of the passenger, the driver, and this app will be exclusively for the university community members, and also will have an established price, and if you cannot pay in cash, you can pay using your credit card.
To all of these ideas, problems and solutions, we decided to create an app named PeepView. Why PeepView? Because of the sound the car makes when it beeps, and you because of the university and because of you. To create an account, first you need to put your ID code, your university email, and your password. Because this app is exclusive for the Savannah's University community. We will have fixed rates of 3,500 pesos. These rates may decrease if the route is very short and as the driver decides, and it will appear when you request the car. The idea of this app is to facilitate transportation because of the problems we identify in this community. Inside the map, you need to click in the icon of the car, so you can see the driver's location, the time it takes to pick you up, and where you are already in the car, you are going to see the time it takes for traffic to get to the university or the place where you go. And it also is an advantage for the driver because the driver can see an alternative route. In this app, you are going to have a part in which you can have not only a group, but you can see all the groups for all the places, and on the top of the screen you can search the place where you are going. And you can see the available seats you have in each car. Also, you can click in the driver's information and it will appear the plate and the name of the driver that will pick you up.
Okay, so the application will work like Uber and Didi, that the student enters to the application and mark the destination, and the student will see all the available drivers for that destination. In the case of the driver that will provide the service, he will enter to the application and mark as available, as a driver available, and will also write the destiny that he will go to find the users that will use the service. This application facilitates the way of transportation of the students of University of La Sabana because it unifies all the existing groups that are in Facebook and WhatsApp, that they are only for a specific location, like for example, Autopista, Chia Cajicá, and more. The application will be available for devices with iOS and Android operating system. It will be used exclusively by the community of University of La Sabana, like students, teachers, and administrative, because they will have to enter the code in the registration.
We do some surveys in the university to know if this app would be used. Would you use this app?
Yes.
Use this app?
Yes.
Would you use this app?
Yes.